This maintenance video is the third of 4 designed as a training aid for pharmacy staff on the maintenance of a sachet robot. Please ensure you watch all videos thoroughly to fully understand how to maintain your sachet robot. The following topics will be covered in this video. We strongly recommend pharmacy staff to watch this video more than once. For pharmacies in an older building with unstable power issues, we recommend installing a UPS and a surge protector. Regular cleaning is essential. It helps prevent the buildup of dust or powder from medication, which can accumulate over time and cause various issues. Before cleaning the components of the robot, please follow these instructions carefully before starting the cleaning procedures. Make sure not to get injured, as distractions can lead to accidents. Ensure the robot is powered off for cleaning and safety reasons. Please fill out the cleaning logs regularly and review them. You will need the following equipment for cleaning the robot. Be aware of potential hand injuries from the sharp edges of the robot parts. According to the cleaning logs, please clean components weekly and monthly. Record all cleaning activities in your cleaning logs. Please note, the information in the cleaning logs will be used by our company to determine warranty status. This will also help in the auditing process. To clean the cassette, follow these steps to disassemble it first. Perform the disassembly on a stable surface to prevent parts from being misplaced. Begin by removing the cassette lid and any extension tubes, if attached. Use a pen tip to place in one of the holes on the stopper cover to lever it off the cassette. Flip the cassette over so the bottom side is facing you and rotate the C-ring to face you. Apply pressure to the edges of the C-ring with your thumbs, releasing the C-ring with caution as it may fly away. Once the C-ring is separated, the drum inside the cassette will drop down. Clean both the inside and outside of the cassette using microfiber cloth, paying special attention to the circular area where the drum sits. Clean the drum, especially the bottom part where it meets the C-ring. To reassemble the cassette, reverse the disassembly steps. Ensure the stopper is correctly positioned. Note that there are 2 types, mesh, plastic and metal. This plastic side should be placed on top when reassembling. This helps prevent friction and potential damage to the cassette base. After reassembling the cassette, check whether the cassette drum spins freely. If it does not, you may have used the wrong cassette drum. When sending cassettes back to us for cassette swaps, you have to clean in and outside of the cassettes and remove medication and numbering labels. There are two types of cassette medication labels. If you received a cassette before October, you had a cassette with the old label on. The new labels are easier to peel off. If old medication and numbering labels are attached to the cassette, we recommend using eucalyptus oil to remove them. Once you leave them for a while, then use a plastic card or similar to scrape off the labels. Please do not use any knife or sharp metal tools to take them off. Please note, do not peel off the barcode label underneath the cassette, otherwise we may charge a fee. After removing the medication and number labels, clean the outside of the cassette with alcohol spray. We recommend you use isopropyl alcohol spray, rather than alcohol hand sanitizer. Please do not use the same microfiber cloth that was used to remove labels for cleaning the inside the cassette. Please remove the ID chip and any extension tubes and keep them in the toolbox for the new cassettes. If you send us the ID chip or any extension tubes, we will still need to return these components, as they belong to your machine. When sending cassettes for swapping, please make sure that the cassettes are well wrapped inside the box. Please use your pharmacy labels when sending cassettes back to us, so we know which pharmacy the cassettes have come from. By following these steps, you can effectively disassemble, clean, and reassemble the cassette for maintenance or replacement. To clean the cassette base, please follow these steps. Vacuum on top of the cassette base and edges between the cassette bases. Pay special attention to vacuum the motor cog. Clean the top surface of the base with a dry microfiber cloth to remove any residue that may have accumulated. Wear white cotton gloves and use your finger to gently wipe the pair of sensors located on the front and back. Ensure that the sensors are thoroughly cleaned. If the powder covers the sensors, there will be dispensing error. To clean the T-shaped passage located in the middle of the cassette drawer, follow these steps. Remove the divider from the T-shaped passage. Vacuum the whole T-shaped passage. In case of injury from sharp edges, wear white cotton gloves. Use a microfiber cloth to gently wipe away any residue or powder from the T-shaped passage, paying special attention to the corners. Focus on the powdery medications aisle, as this area may require more thorough cleaning. Clean the divider and the smaller piece of the divider with a microfiber cloth. Before reinserting the divider, ensure it is checked and that the smaller side always faces the back. If you insert the divider the other way around, the small divider will drop to the bottom, so please double check before reinserting it. Please note, all medications pass through this passage, making it prone to accumulating powder and dirt. Regular cleaning of the cassettes. Cassette bases. And T-shaped passages will ensure accurate dispensing of medicines. The middle drawer, located at the center of the machine's body, can be accessed by opening the bottom module. It is securely held in place by strong magnets. And pulling out the drawer. Do not pull out the cassette drawers or bottom module while the middle drawer is open. The middle drawer is the heaviest component of the robot, and may cause the robot to fall over. The CAP92 model has two middle drawer passages. To clean the CAP middle drawer, follow these steps. Use a mini vacuum nozzle to remove any powder from the passage. Wipe away any stains or residue with a microfiber cloth. The WAP224 model has 4 shutters located above the middle drawer passage. When cleaning the middle shutters, align the flaps to the middle to clean them thoroughly. To access the middle shutter below the PC, pull out the PC drawer all the way as shown. If this isn't done, the shutter will not flip vertical to enable cleaning. Therefore, pull out the PC drawer, and put your hand under the drawer, then move the shutter to align it. Use a mini vacuum nozzle to remove any powder from the passage. Locate the middle shutter under the PC drawer. Vacuum the front side that is facing you thoroughly. Open the PC drawer. Flip the middle shutter to the other side. Close the drawer. Then vacuum it. When you access the far side of the shutter, open the drawer. And twist the vacuum nozzle to clean it. Make sure to clean the edges and top of each shutter using a vacuum for the passage. There are 2 sensors at the back of each middle shutter. Ensure that you vacuum this area thoroughly. After cleaning, set all the middle shutters to the same side. The WAP224 model has one huge drawer passage. Use a mini vacuum nozzle to remove any powder from the passage. Wipe away any stains or residue with a microfiber cloth. Close the middle drawer gently once the cleaning is done. To clean the FSP drawer, follow these steps. Open the FSP drawer. Use a mini vacuum nozzle to remove any powder from the drawer. Wipe away any stains or residue with a microfiber cloth. Close FSP drawer gently once the cleaning is done. To clean the FSP sensors on the bowl, follow these steps. Remove the cup and slide out the drawer. Put the cup back into the cup holder. Use a mini vacuum nozzle to remove any powder or debris from the bowl, as well as vacuum the FSP bowl areas and edges. Locate the bottom sensor inside the FSP bowl. It is located at the front and very bottom of the bowl. If you tilt the FSP bowl, you will easily find the bottom sensor. Use a white cotton glove to wipe off any powder or residue from this sensor. Find the top sensors located at the top of the FSP bowl, which has 4 black dots. Clean these sensors using a cotton glove, ensuring it is free from debris. The 2 drop sensors are located underneath the stopper sponge. To clean them, gently push the bowl away from the drawer. Carefully use a cotton glove to clean the sensors thoroughly. The FSP display will show send to indicate that you are cleaning the drop sensors. Make sure to press the reset button after cleaning the sensors. To clean the FSP cup and cup holder, follow these steps. Remove the cup and vacuum both the inside of the cup holder and the cup itself, as well as use a microfiber cloth to gently wipe off any residue. Once done, return the cup to its place. Regular cleaning of the FSP drawer. FSP bowl. FSP sensors. And FSP cup and cup holder will ensure accurate dispensing of medicines. To clean the MDU plate, follow these steps. When the machine is on, you may open the MDU for cleaning. However, do not remove the MDU plate from inside the machine directly. Always open the MDU by clicking the button on the main screen, and then take out the MDU plate. Please, use a cloth to clean any medication chips or stains on the MDU plate. Avoid spraying alcohol or water directly onto the plate. Instead, spray directly onto a dry microfiber cloth to gently clean the affected areas, if necessary. Use a vacuum nozzle to gently remove any powder or debris from the MDU tray. When putting the MDU plate back in, ensure it is properly closed to cover the silver cell plate underneath. To close the silver cell plate, slide it forward gently. Please ensure to gently clean the screen regularly with a microfiber cloth. The base heating roller and final shutter are crucial components that require regular cleaning to maintain optimal performance. To clean the final shutter, follow these steps. The final shutter is located on top of the heating roller and plays a crucial role in the final preparation steps of packing all medications. To access the final shutter, open the plastic cover by removing the two securing bolts. Twist the cellophane roll left to loosen the tension on the triangle plate. Pull out the final shutter using the handle and unclip the connector by pressing the square clip to release it. Clean the final shutter thoroughly, both inside and outside, ensuring all surfaces are free from debris or obstructions. When reinserting the final shutter, ensure it is properly aligned and securely in place. Double-check that the final shutter is pushed all the way in to prevent medications from falling onto the sides. To clean the heating roller, Follow these steps. If you notice any melted cellophane on the base heating roller, it is important to clean it to prevent issues with sachet production. Open the plastic cover by removing the 2 securing bolts. Tear a piece of paper or a sachet and air it out. Fold it to make it smaller. And place it between the 2 black sensor parts. If the heating roller sensor is not covered and you continue to press any buttons, the machine will not function. The machine will not operate if the heating cover is removed, as it is essential for the machine's proper operation. Push the forward button and turn the heating rollers to expose the area where the blades are located on the edge of the roller. Before cleaning the heating roller, ensure you wear a thermal glove to protect your hands from heat or sharp cutting blade. This will help accessing the area that needs cleaning safely. Additionally, if you observe stains or dirt on the inner roller, cut the cellophane roll first. And press the forward button to take out the remaining cellophane. Move the back roller by pressing the forward button. And clean the roller thoroughly to ensure better performance with a metal wire brush. When cleaning the heating roller, be aware that powder and dust from the medications may fall onto the bottom module sealing unit. Therefore, ensure that you also clean the bottom module floor. Regular cleaning of the base heating roller will help maintain the functionality and quality of the sachet production process. The base of the machine is the lower part responsible for producing the packs using a cellophane roll and a printing ribbon. The machine will display a message indicating when the cellophane roll or printing ribbon is at its end. It is important not to press any buttons on the display until you have replaced the roll and ribbon. To replace any cellophane rolls or printing ribbon, please follow these steps. If it is a regular cellophane roll change, follow these steps. Place the remaining old roll through the sealer. Insert a new roll, ensuring the magnet side is facing the correct direction, and push it all the way in. Pull the new roll under the first metal roller, then over the second metal roller, and then pull it through the sealer. Make sure both the new and old rolls are aligned edge to edge. Once both rolls are in place, close the sealer to join them. You should hear a beep. Wait until you hear multiple beeps. After hearing the beeps, carefully remove any remaining cellophane by tearing the excess off to the left. Twist the new roll clockwise to check that it is tightened properly. Press the forward button until both rolls are aligned and sealed correctly. Press the cut button and hold it for 3 seconds and release it. Test at least 10 to 15 sachet packs to make sure the sachet is aligned well. If there is any jamming or cutting of the cellophane, follow these steps. This method is slightly different from the above. Open the plastic cover by removing the 2 securing bolts. Tear a piece of paper or a sachet and air it out. Fold it to make it smaller. And place it between the 2 black sensor parts. Pull out the final shutter using the handle. And unclip the connector by pressing the square clip to release it. Press the forward button to align the heating rollers parallel. You should see enough space between these 2 heating rollers. Pull the new roll under the first metal roller, then over the second metal roller, and then over the third. Position the new roll between the rubber roller and the metal one. These are located next to each other. Pull the roll long enough to create a triangle shape and twist it at the end of the roll. Ensure there are no creases or folds in the cellophane. Wear thermal gloves. And place the cellophane through them. Ensure the cellophane is positioned under the sponge. Twist the roll clockwise to check that it is tightened properly. Press the forward button until both rolls are aligned and sealed correctly. Press the cut button and hold it for 3 seconds and release it. Test at least 10 to 15 sachet packs to make sure the sachet is aligned well. To change the printing ribbon, follow these steps. Press the print on and off button, if the printing ribbon is attached on the black rubber rod. Remove the ribbon that is currently installed and place it on the floor. Remove the old ribbon core from the used ribbon. Remove the old ribbon core and keep it to attach to the new ribbon core. When disposing of the old or used ribbon, please ensure that all patient information printed on it is handled carefully and securely disposed of in the document destruction bin. Attach the new ribbon to the old ribbon core. Insert both ends of the ribbon, ensuring that the ribbon is positioned on top and aligned over the two small metal rollers. Double check that both cores are all the way in, otherwise if they are not properly inserted, there might be printing errors. Please note, the ribbon should pass between the two ribbon sensor parts and be positioned halfway through them. To order consumables, you can obtain them from pharmacy wholesalers such as PWL, CDC, ProPharma, or directly through CretemNZ email address. If they do not have the stock available or if you have any inquiries, please contact us through our website or via email. We recommend that all pharmacies keep at least 2 spare cellophane rolls and printing ribbons on hand, based on your robot's usage. The toolbox provided with the Cretem machine includes a variety of essential tools for troubleshooting and servicing. Each tool is explained in the accompanying picture. These tools are designed to help technicians and operators effectively address issues and perform routine maintenance tasks. These maintenance details and cleaning information will help you understand how to effectively maintain the Cretem robots. Please watch this video more than once, if you do not fully understand it. We'll return with the last video shortly.